What? Zach and I found a discombobulated car yesterday.
Nope. I missed.
Try to pull it out of the ground. Like a spear.
My tree now. This is my tree now.
This is strong enough to sit on.
That brake on you.
I'll try not to.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Ooh. I don't want to fall to the left. Ah. Can we go over the barbed wire?
Huh?
Can we go over the barbed wire?
Not yet.
Oh.
When we come back tomorrow.
There's a piece right here that we can step over.
It's a bridge. It's a bridge.
I was doing that earlier.
That's so fun. Right?
Yeah. I walked across one and there's barbed wire directly to my left.
It's through the tree.
Yeah, that happens.
You want to know what that means?
What?
It means that this fence is older than that tree, and that tree is probably about 50, 40 years old.
You can get that. You can get this one though.
I don't know if this one's dead or not.
Oh, just kick it.
My head.
Okay, come on. It's so low. It's so loose. Just stand there. Nice.
Oh. Ah.
Just pretend it's dead.
There's another dead tree right there.
You can get it.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this one. I'll see it.
You gotta stop.
I almost.
Which one's dead, Zach?
Oh, that one. These are the that are self-standing and dead.
Ooh, this one's the dead one.
This one right here.
Come on, help me. Ooh, this one.
That one right
You want to do that one?
here, right here.
Huh.
Dead tree.
Yeah, standing like that. Be careful. Look. Whenever you knock it, there's a chance that this part is gonna go falling back this way.
Oh
Just
my.
be careful.
That's so cool.
Watch the side.
Whew. You can drop it.
Yeah, delete that one.
I'm sitting.
Look, where?
Right in front of us. You can see part of the dam.
Ooh, look at that thing.
Is that a fort? Or just a...
So old. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Woo! I found the shell of a tree, the bark. Probably eating all the bugs and stuff. It defended. What? Yeah, I'm gonna post it on YouTube for 50 views.
50 views, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you're getting more views than I ever got.
Do you even have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
How many subscribers do you have?
I had 26 whenever I quit.
I have 10.
You're still getting more views than I was. I think the most views I ever got in a video was 87.
The most views I ever got was 277, I think.
Wow.
Has 11 likes.
Here we are.
Whoa. Like all three I can take down. Bro, there's another bridge.
Bro, that's a squirrel nest. That's a squirrel nest right there.
Oh, don't go on this side.
If we want to see the what? I'm just staying here for right now. Ooh, I found a piece of it. There's a piece all the way up here.
Actually, no, I'm not that.
I don't think get out of this. I heard the branch cracking. It was gonna fall. Ah.
Wait, can you go up on there? There's a bridge you can jump over. Like this.
We don't land in the water.
Bet.
Otherwise, we have to go back.
Okay.
So you're taking a
I got
chance.
lock in. I got lock in.
He has to go back. We can stay here.
No.
Oh.
So that we have to make sure.
Just go over there. That's an easier job.
Yes, I'd recommend doing that instead. Made it. Hands are dirty now, though.
What?
Hands are dirty now, though.
Not really. See?
No, don't get in the water. Get out of the water, especially in shoes. It's cold.
We're gonna follow the water till we find civilization.
I'm gonna follow the water until I see rocks, and I want to see if there's any arrowheads.
I barely made that jump. That was actually pretty fun, jumping over that. I want to do it again.
There's a thorn bush right here.
Ooh, there's a big tree I can climb up. No, I'm just joking.
There's a waterfall.
This is a big tree, though.
On the way
It's like
back,
a road.
on the way back, you can show you.
It's like a road.
There's like steps here. Tiny steps formed by pieces of
Yeah,
rock.
there is. Look. Ooh, there's a piece of corner too. This is tough rope. Yeah. It's probably dangerous. By the way, What?
I found a hole.
Think I could jump that?
No. I would don't try. Not with me. Maybe during the summer or maybe during the spring. Not right now. It's too cold for that. If you get in the water, you're gonna get cold.
Zach, I found a hole.
Yeah, there's a couple of them around here.
Do we have crawfish around here?
Here.
I found another piece of the car, or another piece of metal.
I found that first.
Cool. You think I should have brought my knife with me?
Y'all walk around real quick. Go walk around. Hi, Grandma.
Hold on. I have to get through.
Let me push it back.
You're pulling it, not
it's-
pushing it. Just let go of it.
There you go. You just climb up on that. No! My balloon's taking damage.
Haha.
That's not it.
Your balloon's about to fall.
What?
Your balloon's about to fall.
Thank you.
I was joking.
We're just thinking. Never mind.
That's not
Ew,
fair.
it touched me.
Who touched you? Did he?
No. not making that. I'm gonna try to make it. Just.
I'm just trying to record a video real quick.
What'd you say?
Trying to record a video real quick. That's all I was doing. I just wanted to be able to hear the water.
I can make that.
It's starting to sprinkle.
That's a lot farther than you think, buddy. And this is how deep that water. That side of that hill is completely mud.
Yeah, that's true.
You will be slipping. They're going to get in the water.
Yeah, and that's steep too.
If you get in any water, you're going to go back.
Yeah, and that's steep too. Oh, my balloon. Never mind. I think I can make another one. Over here.
What do you think would happen if you put the balloon in the water and just let it go down?
I don't want
I'm not trying to.
Like, sure, you could make it, but you're gonna eat shit on the way down. Because I know I would eat shit on the way down.
And you're stupid.
I'm trusting. What?
I was talking to Zach.
Wait, you can even make
This path is very safe. I don't have anything to hold on to.
I'm probably going
Just trying to shimmy away. There were much easier ways to do that. And painstakingly shimmying down. Boo. The water looks really low right here, so I'll try to step through it.
Take that. That was actually pretty fun.
I almost fell into the water on my way down here.
Guess what?
What?
Womp Actually,
Can we knock down this tree? This one that's hanging out of the ground.
No, that one's still rooted in.
you think I can? Never mind.
That ain't moving.
That's a weird tree. I can make this one. Yeah, it is.
Really?
I can
I'll do it with you. Let me do it with you.
Scared of what? Why?
Because it feels a lot different when you're on this side, right? There goes the balloon.
No, I made it so far. I made it so far.
Zach, can you hold my phone and keep recording so that I can jump?
I made it so far.
Okay.
Here, I made it so far.
We heard you the first 7 times.
It looks weird now.
There it
Look at the Z. Doesn't it look like a disease?
Maybe.
That's pretty fun jumping there.
I hurt my legs. I'm getting old.
How old are you? 21?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. I'm gonna see if I can shut this down.
Yeah,
Yeah, help
take
me.
that out. I just want that out so I can stand here uninterrupted. I think we'll have to go back, maybe.
You're going to have to go on the other side at some point, yeah. We could do it back there. It's easy.
Or right here. Well, actually right there.
Right there. Hold on. Let me clear that spot out.
Okay.
I don't want you fucking falling on any twigs. The ground's soft here, so it'll look good.
Oh my gosh, look.
Let's step off of it.
Rocks here,
It's big
like
now.
that.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I think you're good. You ain't
Oh.
getting that. You ain't getting that, buddy.
But that's almost, see?
You think it's almost, but that thing's rooted in the ground. Like ground standing, try and jump over the wall.
I'm pressured.
Hell yeah.
Are we gonna have to walk through the water?
You okay?
Zach, are we gonna have to walk through the water?
You okay? Hurt a little?
That was awesome. I want to do it again.
What did it do right there? 'Cause
That was awesome. Right there, you can make it. I made it in the sand and I kind of tasted some. Ew, I got some in my hair.
Yeah, that's how you eating shit right there.
Huh?
Right here.
Yeah, I ate crap.
So I'd say get a little bit of a running start and jump right where he did. Right where
Okay.
my left foot is. Right here.
Take phone.
Hold on. Don't want you throwing that because I can't catch anything.
Backpacker.
You're under the influence.
No, that's not the reason.
You're
I
still
can tell
under-
you I'm not on the under.
Hold on.
I fell. Mother said to pick up your trash. I am. I can't throw it. Alright. So I'm not picking that up.
Alright.
I don't even know if I can make it. Yes, you can.
I
made
can
it.
promise you can make it,
Yes,
buddy.
I promise you. You just run as fast as you can and jump as high as you can.
Bingo.
You were a little bit low.
You
but
got it.
still got more.
You still made it.
That was sick.
What?
You had a twig on your arm.
I am a twig.
Go a quick one. I'm pretty sure I have sand in my mouth.
I'm pretty sure I have sand in my hoodie. And I do have sand on my shoes and in them. This is awesome. Do something. Whoa, look at that. Do something in the fish.
That's a bunch of. Oh yeah. Can we go over there, Zach?
In the river too. Look.
It's more of a stream, not a river.
I'm thinking this is probably from, I'm going to say the early 40s, 50s, actually maybe 60s.
1960s, 1860s, 1760s.
That's awesome.
Be careful on this stuff.
Because there's a bunch of loose pieces.
We don't know if it's stable.
Because it's loose, and I don't want you slipping on it and cracking your head on concrete.
Most of it's loose, but some of it's stable.
Yeah, I know. That's
Oh my god.
I found a tree that got ripped out. I did not do that.
Oh my god.
You okay?
My foot got stuck and I almost face planted into concrete.
Get off the concrete.
I'll be fine. My foot was just in a very bad position.
Trees hurting me.
Womp womp.
The branches are not, I mean, yes.
I don't know. What the fuck is... Like, the only one I know is Womp Womp, and I was saying that before it became fucking popular.
Womp Womp's a you falling and almost face planting. That's not deep.
Go farther to your left if you're gonna climb. How much that close to go?
There's animal paths over here, Zach.
Yeah, what kind?
I don't know. Just a big one.
A big one. Where's that big one? Where?
Right here. It's like mowed down and stuff. Did people do this?
This is a path. No, deer did this.
A deer?
A bunch of deer. Minimum 10 deer. Give for everybody. I don't want to hear myself.
There's a big path over there. Look,
Now look over here.
What?
Power line far down there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Get to that and go left. That's how you get home. That's how far we are.
That's crazy.
Are we going up the dam or are we gonna go follow the
Up the path.
Yeah, let's go to the dam.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Why?
When you're a little older, we can do that.
Please.
Not right now, baby.
Can we try it at least?
Not today.
How old do we have to be?
How old? I'm 12.
Yeah, he's 12.
Still.
So can I do it?
I used to only be allowed to walk in here. I wasn't allowed near the dam whenever I was that age. I'd be a teenager.
So that's the damn way.
You see right there how like it goes up and then over it. That's the dam.
Okay,
That's
we-
the
So
whole
can we go
thing.
on that one? That's where I wanted to go, up there.
That's not by deer. That's by people right there that did that. So
Can we?
no, we can follow the creek. We're fine.
Thank you. Can we go through this path?
If you want to get a bunch of thorns, sure.
Okay.
I would roll your sleeves down.
Yeah, that'd be a best decision. Sleeves down, hoodie up.
You mean hood up?
Same thing. Yeah, both a bunch of little smart asses. I hope you know that.
Yeah, we're smart, unlike you.
You know. There was no thorns at all. Well, I just have this hay on my leg.
Nice.
Yeah, there's no thorns. Focus, focus. I'm gonna steal your focus.
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
Ew, what's that?
It's dangerous right here.
Is it a battery?
This is a battery, which means that
Don't
whenever
take it.
don't mess with it because whenever water starts pouring through here
You're messing
and it
with it.
gets in there, that's lead that's getting into the water right
He's
there.
keeping it still.
So you don't want to drink that.
Don't touch that water. Like, don't drink it. Don't put your
Touch it.
hands in it.
Don't look at it.
Don't look at it. Don't make eye contact with it. It will attack you.
Oh, that's hilarious.
It will steal your girlfriend.
It will steal your money.
If you had one. If you... It will steal your money. That's crazy. Well, I'm already broke, so I don't have... So that's not even a...
This is a good jump. You guys can make that one.
Oh my God.
I just messed this over. Because there's no way to jump this one.
How?
You think you can make from where you're at right now, up there?
Yeah.
And over
Oh, no,
3
not
feet.
up there. Right there.
Why don't we just take a step through the water?
I wasn't saying right there. I was saying right there where you're standing. Hold on, I'll show you.
Don't fall.
Like right here.
But you think you can make that, Garrett? Or you want to jump over there and go around?
I hope I can make it.
Oh,
Gotcha. No. Well, yeah, give me that.
wow. Good catch.
As long as it's not in the fucking water.
Yeah, yeah.
Here, hold that.
Okay, well,
I don't know if I
it's an
filmed that
easy
right.
jump. You don't even have to jump. Well, actually, yeah, you do. If you get right there, that's it. Really easy. This is also easy.
Do you think that leaf pile is stable?
Yeah.
You just do that.
Don't fall. Please. Is that like a beaver dam or something?
No, it's just a pile with a bunch of leaves from over
So a natural dam.
country, probably. You get something in your finger?
A thorn ball.
Yeah, those things are pain in the ass.
It just turned.
Yeah, I get that.
Oh, there's a hole.
So, oh no.
Fall in the hole. Oh. You fell in another hole. Stop falling in the hole.
The middle? No, it's fork. Okay. I just hit my head.
Dang.
What'd you say?
I hit my head on a branch.
Well, that's why you gotta fix
I've been recording for 30 minutes.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
What time is it anyway?
Huh?
What time is
It's 3:24. It doesn't feel like Christmas.
Yeah, it doesn't. It feels not like this. Because usually on Christmas it snows.
A lot. Yeah.
But it's kind of just like fall. Like
Yeah.
where it's all wet and stuff.
I feel like fall was colder than this.
Yeah. Well, in the morning it's very cold. In the morning it's very cold. Like at 6:40.
Watch out.
What?
Oh, this
Throwing
one.
a thorn bush at you. Watch out for this one as well.
Yeah, don't crawl on the ground. That hurt really bad.
I just went around the thorn bush. I just went around the thorn bush.
Got nipped.
You got nipped by a branch.
No, a thorn. Look.
Ow.
Look.
Don't fall in this hole, Gabriel.
And then.
Nice. Whoa.
Ow.
I know where to go from here.
Do we just keep walking?
We go somewhere.
Yeah, it's a thorn bush. Maybe not completely sprouted yet, but just...
Yeah.
I can't wait till I'm allowed to go out here alone.
Yeah, that'd be so fun. It just.
Yeah, but you have a forest right... you're literally surrounded by forest. So, you're...
Me?
Yeah.
When? Like right now? Yes.
Well, technically. Well, your house is surrounded by forest.
Yeah, I can just go explore at any time I want. And it's right there, so I don't have to travel far.
Yeah, you don't have to, like, go to my house to go to the forest or anything.
That was close. That was really close. That was really slippery.
Put my hood up. pants are not thick enough for this.
You got a hood? Yeah, you do. Good.
Can we spend the night out here? Oh. But it'll be all three of us. We'll survive, probably.
Oh, that hurts.
Deer droppings.
There's so many little pink splinters.
Watch out, Thorn.
Thorn bush. Thorn bush. Oh, I'll hold it so it doesn't come back and whack you.
I already have a thorn bush.
Think you can make this jump?
What?
Think you can make this jump?
I think I can. I don't know if Gabriel can with his current condition though. Like he's been shot 56 times. I don't know if he'll make it.
Buddy, I can promise you that.
Huh?
The pain will go away.
Yeah, but not if they're still going to be in there.
I mean, it will. It's just gonna take longer.
Yeah, you'll be good. Here.
Thank you. I think I'm right.
So you can make that?
Yeah. I mean,
Try and get it back up. I will never run on it. Yeah. Woo!
not as far as you would think.
Didn't even get that in the picture. Gabriel, you ready? Hell yeah.
Oh, it feels so bad.
The only thing I'm trying to tell you to do for that, is since it's such a pain in the ass, so I understand that, is ignore it. Try to ignore it. Not there. Pay attention to me.
Pay attention to the what?
Pay attention to where we're at.
That's not how it happened though.
No, that's not what I mean. I'm saying that pay attention to the distraction from the fact that it's still in your hand. If you're doing that side, I feel like it'd be a lot better. But hello? Oh, it'll be a little longer before we get back to that.
We've already been out here for 40 minutes.
We're pretty close to the dam right now.
You have stuff all on your hood. It's not thorns,
Alright.
it's just like brown leaves and stuff. No, on the front right there.
Who's all there? Anybody else new set up? Oh boy. Alrighty, well.
Hey, there's a deer! Doe!
Oh yeah, there's a deer, ain't there?
Yeah, there's a doe. There's a doe.
I saw its
I
tail.
just caused it to jump.
I saw the full body.
I saw the tail, but I don't think I got it on camera.
Wheeler-
I wish I had a gun right there and then
So that's
shoot it like 50 times in the head.
Huh?
If I miss one, and if I miss 49 times, and the 50th time I hit it in the head.
Or you miss it 50 times.
Most likely. Ah!
You scratched again.
On my hoodie.
Yeah.
It didn't really hurt. I kind of just made that look dramatic.
So do we have to go back?
Yeah. We'll come back out here some other time.
How are we gonna get back in 10 minutes?
Yeah, we're gonna take our time.
Yeah, okay, gang. I'm gonna stop recording now.